Top of the morning to you. Hope you are doing well. When was the last time someone asked for your report card? Yes, your report card. When was the last time someone asked you for your report card? I'm reading Robert Kiyosaki still, and we just talked the last few days about change being uncomfortable, and being able to be a better skier or do something differently or better is going to be uncomfortable, and it's not going to feel good. The Kiyosaki book I'm reading right now, Rich Dad tells Robert, the banker never asks me for my report card. And it kind of blows Robert's mind that, yeah, as an adult, when's the last time you've been asked for your report card? And we don't want to leave it at that. We want to go a step further, because I'm wearing my t-shirt today because I just got done completing one of my assignments. One of my report cards isn't doing so well. And that's my fitness. I'm like up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. My weight's been sitting at 170 for a while, and I wanted under 160. And I was down to 164. Now I'm at 171, and it's just going all over the place. So I completed today's assignment. That doesn't go on the report card. This is the report card. But as a father, as a kingdom family leader, we're looking at being husbands. That's a report card. Fathers, that's a report card. Leaders, that's a report card. All three of those are underlying by our financial report card, our fitness and health report card, our relationship report card. We've got a lot of report cards. And as a self-leader, someone who blesses themselves, we need to know where our report cards lie. What are our scores on those report cards? And we need to be focused on, what am I working on? What do I value? Because what I value is what's gonna happen. Alongside reading Kiyosaki is reading the DeMartini and just getting our values in line. So if we got our values in line on a report card that we care about, not the old school report card, but who are we as a leader in our home, family, and community, then we're going to see results there. If you're ready to talk about coaching, go to brian.chat and let's have a coaching conversation. Delineate what are your report cards and what are you doing with them that's going to bring you success, that's going to give you what you're looking for. And what are you looking for? You be blessed.